I'm doing a video. Hi guys, here's my vlog, new member of the team. We're gonna juke some lava monkeys because I am shaky today, but I'm getting better and better at the game now. So I think, yeah, we juke lava monkeys, see what it goes and stuff. But this one person reported me because, like, there was tag lag, but he just can't untag me, bro. Like, I just keep on juking him, and buddy, he reported me and laughed and screamed at me, bro. But, yeah. How you? I'm gonna mute all of you because I'm doing a video because I don't like people. Yeah.
Hey, that's Coolio.
No, I'm not being mean. I'm just gonna like mute all of you. But yeah. So guys, we in the public lobby. But why the tiger, bro? Wait a minute. Unmute all of you, cause yeah, just pass. Hi Green. How you do that, Lucia, bro?
1738. Jay, I'm not sure what it's
What are you doing, Green, bro?
Hey, I can still walk.
You're so good, bro.
What?
You're so good.
I can still walk.
Hi, Tiger.
Guys, look at how good I am. This is what a ground main does.
Oh my god.
Better than you, boy. Wait. Look at this flick. Easy flick. Easy flick.
You're gonna
Easy
tag someone.
See? I hit that. I hit those.
Nah, bro.
I hit those.
Oh. GG. Nice flick tag. Battle Royale.
Wait, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay, good boy.
Nah, bro, don't ever call me like that, bro. Hi, Green, you're gonna get
Look at
tagged.
this flick. Green, look. Oh, I hit those. We hit those.
I'm just so bad, bro.
Yo, wings. Wait,
Yeah.
don't tag him. Guys, we hit these. Oh, shoot, I missed that time.
I bet you I can do that.
We hit these. No, I can flick it. Oh, dang it. I gotta smack my ceiling fan if I want to hit this.
Yeah, you're
do
the
it, though.
good, bro.
I'll do it for the views.
What? You know what I'm recording right now, bro.
Yeah, nice.
What you mean? Yeah. Are you watching me in my sleep?
No! No, I felt my ceiling fan. I felt it. I can smell it.
I can do it from here.
No! I can smell my ceiling fan. I'm joking.
What? Oh, why is he?
Oh yeah, we hit those.
I'm so bland.
Oh, we hit those. We hit that, guys. Look at my cool, awesome, ultra cool Sigma juke.
You're so Sigma.
Yeah, I hit those.
Stop lying.
You never.
No, I can hit it. Look it. Oh, my bad, shiesty. Shiesty. Look, I'm gonna
How
slap
you
it
even
without
do
touching
that?
it. See, I hit it.
Stop
No,
moving, sir.
my controller. See, I hit those. I hit it again.
Shut up.
Alright, let me actually lock in.
Nah, Blur. Blur
how you
still
Alright, watch this.
fails.
Third time's the charm. You ready?
Touch this.
Oh,
See,
you
I
hit it.
Right. Hit it right here. Hit it right here.
Bet. Oh, that's gonna be hard.
Nah, Blur, what?
I went through it.
You
What the heck?
camouflage.
No, watch me.
I hit it. Let's go.
Oh, I got one.
Let's go. We hit those. I hit it again. Dude, my hand is going through it. What is this?
You sound like a girl.
1738. Hey.
Nah,
I'm
Blur,
like,
I'm
still
gonna
working
just
on
end
something,
the
yeah.
video.
Yeah, we hit those.
Nah, Blur, she didn't. We're gonna end the video here.
Where is it?